The biodiversity of the Amazon is unique. The only place of its kind in the world. In the light and warmth and water are millions of different species, and many more, perhaps, unknown.
There is a place in the heartland of the United States that is home to the most severe storms on Earth, where the clash of forces above can turn day into night and rain terror on those below.
Silky sharks and blacktip sharks move in for the attack. The jacks on the outside of the school dive towards the center for protection. But there is no escape. The assault subsides as sharks, tuna, and rainbow runners compete to seize the remaining jacks.
In the long night of the Antarctic winter, a photographer's flash illuminates a haunting sight. The year is 1915, and a British ship, the Endurance, is trapped in a vast sea of ice.
Bah! Enough of that lovesick nonsense!
Great feeling!
We're going to have toadstool!
You're not going to eat this one. Come here, love.
You love-struck witch!
Ha ha ha.